Hello, my name is Aaron Hyde. I am a student at National Personal Training Institute of Orlando in the advanced class. I'm here with my 16-year-old client. He is going to be doing visual acuity testing today. So visual acuity is, we're going to throw this little baton doodad, I don't even know what it's really called, and we're going to throw this up in the air. I'm going to tell him what color to catch, and he's going to grasp it, and it's just going to be a measure of his reactionary time and ability to catch. The factors in this are his ability to actually perform this, which would factor the spin rate of the device, the height of how we throw it, and the surface that we stand on, whether it's flat surface, Bosu ball, dynamic surface. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So you're going to have your client stand in an athletic base on the balls of your feet. Ask him if he's ready. Are you ready, Eric?
Ready.
Okay. Yellow. Except you catch it. Ready?
Yes.
Black. That's a good one. Okay. So we can manufacture different surfaces by making him stand on one leg. We can have him stand on a ball. We can have him stand on a Bosu ball, that is. So Eric, will you stand on one leg? Ready?
Yes.
Red. We'll just stop at that one, okay? My client did awesome, and that is how you do visual acuity.